Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning, and for those of you it's your first time on my channel, what's good? I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this easy bomb crochet wig. I wanted to do something kind of bright and, you know, add a little finesse. You dig? Really quick, really easy. Because I have a round face, I feel like I had to do minimal bangs. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to know how I got this wig done, keep on watching. And if you don't want to know, keep on watching. Alright, let's watch. So let's jump right into the video. I'm starting off with this cap here, and it's specifically made for crocheting wigs together. So just get the one that has the crochet sticks on the back and you won't get lost. Excuse my mask, you guys. I was trying to cut time in half when it came down to my nighttime routine because your girl had to get up early the next morning. So yeah, this hair was a little funky. I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't know what it was. I don't know what was going on at the factory, but someone needs to be sued. Okay, it was bad. But I started off using the shorter packs of hair because I knew that I didn't want to end up cutting too much at the end of the process, and this helped me to get the shape of the wig that I wanted perfectly. And I loved the ombre that was on this hair, so that's why I used that, because I knew I wanted some ombre in the front. So I used half of the pack for the back and half for the front, and it came out exactly the way I wanted it. I do have a video on how to crochet for beginners. So if you don't know how to crochet at all and this video is kind of too advanced for you, go check that video out, and then you'll know the basics, techniques of how to crochet, period. And then you can come back and make yourself a wig, girl, because who doesn't want to be able to wash their hair and then throw the wig back on? Like, come on. And if you love crochet like me, this is something that you're definitely gonna have to invest in. So once I finished with the shorter pieces, I went into the longer pieces and I did the exact same thing. I split it up and then I just added it right onto the wig cap. The only part that's really different on here compared to doing crochet on your hair is the way you close it up. So once I get back to the top, I'll come back on here. Okay, so we're back to the top, and now I'm going to show you guys how excuse me. Now I'm going to show you guys how I filled in the top. And basically, all I did was I kept it, you know, I don't know why my voice sounds like that. I'm sorry, you guys. All I did was kept it to a minimum. I didn't want to put too much hair in the front bang portion because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I have a round face, so I don't want to overpower it and include too many bangs. But if you have a smaller face or a longer face, you can go ahead and do that, but that's not my calling. So next, so once I was done with that, I went ahead and finished the top portion, closing it up, and that was about it. It looks really nice. You can't see any of the crochet knots or nothing like that. went ahead and took the scissors to the hair a little bit just to frame my face and shape it. I didn't have to do too much cutting because the technique that I used of putting the shorter pieces on the bottom helped me out a lot to have less work to do in the end. I took my iron just to flatten out the top and added some oil sheen to it to give it a less frizzier look, and that was it. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love crochet as much as I do, go ahead and try this out. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're not already, turn your notification bells on, and your girl will see you in the next one.